New videos of arrests at the San Diego federal courthouse. Volunteers say ICE agents are handcuffing migrants and taking them away, even when their cases are still ongoing. Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee. CBS 8 obtained multiple videos that appear to show arrests in hallways following immigration hearings. Steve Price joins us live from the federal courthouse downtown with reaction from Homeland Security and a local immigration attorney. Steve?
Marcella, as you can imagine, they have two very different opinions on this topic. Now, according to volunteers who are monitoring the situation inside the federal courthouse, they say the arrests started the last week of May and are showing no signs of letting up anytime soon.
Yes. Next month.
A man leaving a federal courtroom in San Diego last month telling ICE agents that his case was continued, not dismissed, allowing him to stay in the country. But seconds later...
Excuse me.
Hey, could you guys back up?
Immigration experts say the videos taken by volunteers monitoring federal agents show a disturbing trend we're seeing at federal courthouses across the nation.
There seems to be no win for the folks that are trying to do everything right.
Tammy Lynn with USD's Immigration Law Clinic says she's never seen anything like this in her nearly 20 years of practicing law.
It is a clear violation of their due process rights. And it seems that what's going on is they're trying to get people out of the country as fast as possible before any attorney or any of us can help protect those rights.
The volunteers say it started the last week of May. ICE agents hanging out in hallways, arresting people. It's not clear how many arrests, but here's video of them following a woman to the bathroom. After giving a relative one last hug, the volunteers say she was arrested.
I've never seen the government use this in such a cruel way to basically take people away that are not criminals, that are doing everything right and trying to get their case completed.
Homeland Security sent CBS 8 a statement saying, in part, Secretary Noem is reversing Biden's catch and release policy that allowed millions of unvetted illegal aliens to be let loose on American streets. This administration is once again implementing the rule of law. If they have a valid, credible fear claim, they will continue in immigration proceedings. But if no valid claim is found, aliens will be subject to a swift deportation. Federal leaders say their goal is to deport at least 3,000 people a day. And immigration attorneys tell me they believe what's really happening here is simply a scare tactic to try and get people not to show up for their hearings in federal courthouses. Marcella, if they don't show up, that would automatically trigger removal hearings. We'll send it back to you.
Thanks so much, Steve.